Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this. This is the good old fowong waterproof tape. In my case, it's a big version, as you can see. You can get this in dimensions you prefer. In my case here, it's 30 centimeter to 1.5 centimeter. It's a big one, of course. You can buy it, but in other dimensions too, for 50 millimeter or 100 millimeter. And this is up to you what you're going to do with that waterproof tape. Butyl ceiling repair tape with aluminium foil. It is a self-adhesive thick repair tape for ceiling and fastening, for example, for the pool, for hole pipes, for the roof, RVs, bathrooms, and so on. It is a must-have in every household, and it comes from the good old fowong. Fowong has been researching and developing home insulation and ceiling products to bring us a quiet, tidy, and energy-efficient home environment. This protects us from noise, pests, and extreme weather, equating our home with safety, comfort, shelter, and protection. Currently, it mainly includes door and window fly screens, door draught excluders, foam tape, silicone ceiling strips, and waterproof Butyl tape. And here it comes. This is the Butyl tape. It's a real environmental repair tool and a safe material. It's not only does not hurt our family, special with this butyl tape, we also contribute to environmental protection and energy conservation too. We press the repair roof or the chamber roof repeatedly until the tape is completely glued to the surface. The capable for multiple surfaces, it can be applied to metal, roofing, galvanized metal, satinised fiberglass, wood, textiles, plastic, aluminium, and other typical RV living car and boat surfaces. The repair tape for ceiling leaks in and around the house. It's waterproof, covering gutters, masonry cracks, walls, vehicles, fireplaces, and pipe leaks. This waterproof covering wood fiber, rooftop and wallboards, arch windows, window sills, etc., etc. The self-adhesive works in 10 degrees Celsius or after heating. It can be used between minus 15 and up to 45 degrees Celsius. The repair tape is with great quality, and it looks really cool because it comes with an aluminium surface, and we can use it to form a grove on the garden sheet, roof, edge to seal it, for example. It looks neat and it is 100% waterproof. The ceiling tape is easy to use, as you can see, but you should remember, always peel only a small piece of the backing film. Because of the strong adhesive, the tape may accidentally stick to the place we don't want it. The to-be sealed surface should be clean and dry. Remove moss and sand beforehand. Wait until the surface is completely dry. With a little pressure, it can stay well on almost all surfaces. Therefore, it can bridge small cracks or transitions well. For bigger events, we should use bitumen to flatten it beforehand. In cold weather, we can heat the tape on a heater and press it on to the needed place with the help of hot air gun, for example. When it's warm and sunny, 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, the roof will get hot. The bitumen layer may stick to the backing film. In this case, we put the butyl tape in the fridge for an half hour. Then it will work well again. To ensure the install effect, the butyl tape is adhesive, is very strong. Once it sticks on the surface, it won't easily let go. So you should be sure to peel only a small piece of backing film every time. The good side is the tape to do weld to the surface. It will be better to use scissors to cut the tape. The bitumen would more easier stick to blades if using knives. Tools such as scissors, knives, spatula, etc. can be cleaned with lacquer thinner and so on. Soap and water won't do much help. We should wear disposable gloves while working. It's not suitable for water-sufficient places and water pipes, of course, because they are wet, and this is not the applied thing. It has to be dry and clean. For example, can use it on colored metal tile cracks. If the roof or the wall of color metal tiles is leaking, we can use our butyl tape for remedying. Our window will waterproof making preference. The waterproof covering of the wood fiber wall panels, arched window under windows still sealed. Or we can repair pipes. We repair tape for the sealing of the fireplace and pipe cracks, for example. And it stays on the surface. The tape can only adhere to the dust and sand on the surface, so we do not peel off the tape or it may tear off the paint. 1 week later, after the application, after apply for 1 week, the bitumen infiltrates the dust and the sand. It makes the tape sticks more firmly. And 20 days later, after application, approximately 20 days after the application, the butyl seal is firmly mixed into the surface and cannot be removed anymore. And that's what we're going to need to make a good cleaning process, to make a good sealing process with the fowong waterproof tape here. It is a really cool waterproof fixture tape for home use, for DIY, for garage, for your car, for your caravan, for your home, and every place you can think about, because it's a lifesaver in DIY projects, of course. The fowong waterproof tape makes a good job, but you need a little bit time. It's not get in position, it's waterproof directly. It will need approximately 24 hours to seal everything. And then it's godlike. Take care, it should be dry and clean. And then you can apply it to the surface. Let it there for 24 hours plus, and then it will seal everything. Nearly everything. The fowong waterproof tape makes a good job. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.